In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the stable whipped cream in 5 minutes. So the first thing you are going to do is to make sure your bowl is cold. So I place this bowl in my fridge for a few minutes before bringing it out. Then the next thing you are going to do is to make sure your water is very cold. So I'm just going to be dropping the measurement in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pour in my whipped cream powder. Then I'm going to be adding my cold water to it. So before I go over with my hand mixer, I'm just going to use my spatula to stir this first. So I'm just going to mix this for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Then check the consistency before I continue mixing. So I just checked the consistency and I don't like the thickness yet. So I'm still going to continue to mix this till I get that thick, and that's because what we are looking for is a stable cream. Like if you are flipping your bowl, or if you flip your bowl downwards, it's not going to fall out. So till we get that consistency, we are going to continue mixing. So if your recipe is not right, or if your recipe is not okay, you are not going to be able to get that stable whipped cream, and when you place it on your cake or your pastries, it's going to fall out. So that's the reason we are calling it a stable whipped cream. So that stability is exactly what we are looking for. So once we are done mixing, you can see how stable it is. I even flipped mine downwards and it's not falling out. So this is exactly what you need. So once you get this, you know that you have gotten your stable whipped cream. So please like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.